What are the keywords? I can guarantee you this blog is very optimized, right? So this blog is probably one of the biggest ways that this website is getting traffic along with backlinks, right? So it probably has things that my student was mentioning, things related to dance, so that more people who are searching for things related to dance, this comes up. So those kind of conversations are probably being had beforehand. So what we were describing is just like, what are the keywords that we would be using, because that's actually going to help us decide on the design of the website. Let's say that we didn't know up front how important keywords were, and we didn't even factor in creating a blog site, right? Or we didn't know that how important having a who we are and mission statement is, because that's one of the things that Google looks for as far as showing up your page. What if we didn't know that? What if we didn't have those kind of conversations, right? We wouldn't design the website and we wouldn't design the requirements to fit that. So what we discussed today is a lot more of the customer facing side. In our next class or classes, we're going to get more into the back end design. So talking about the models, the views, the forms, the templates, the different fields that our project will have.